If something happened to you tomorrow, would your loved ones, your family, would they be okay? If something bad were to happen, would the mortgage, the rent, still get paid? Would your kids' education continue uninterrupted? Or would your loved ones be left scrambling, dealing with grief and financial stress? This is exactly why we are revisiting one of the key tools we discussed in last week's webinar with Coach Rashida: life insurance. Because it's more than a policy, it's a financial safety net, a legacy tool, a legacy play, and a peace of mind solution for the people you love most. It's very important and well needed. Hello family, I'm Coach Lola Owokoniran, your wealth and finance empowerment coach, a certified financial education instructor, and a licensed life insurance professional. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coach Lola Owokoniran, where we help you build wealth, leave a legacy, and live with purpose. Very important. If you joined us for last Saturday's live webinar, you know very much that we covered build, grow, and thrive. Yes, building, growing, and thriving with your wealth vision and legacy planning with life insurance. Today, I want to take it much deeper. I want to dive into life insurance, focus more on that. A tool that can help protect your family, replace income, cover your debts, and even fund your financial future goals. Yes, you heard me right, with the right type of insurance. Now, if you missed the webinar, I'll make sure to leave the link in the description section of this video, so please don't worry. And this video will stand on its own as well and give you practical steps you can take today. Before we start on today's topic, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications bell down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you're serious about building wealth and protecting your legacy. Thank you very much. Now, here's something to think about. According to LIMRA, 49% Americans have no life insurance coverage, which means about 74 million Americans need life insurance. 25 million Americans need more life insurance coverage, and they're considered underinsured. Now, these individuals have some form of life insurance, often a limited group policy provided by their employer, always employer set up, structured, and it's acknowledged that it's insufficient. It's not enough to cover their family's needs. Meanwhile, GoFundMe reports that 1 in 3 campaigns is started to cover funeral or medical costs. Now that's a problem. And it's why life insurance is a critical part of any wealth vision, financial plan, and legacy plan. With the new One Big Beautiful Bill Act of 2025 passed by President Trump, life insurance is not just about protection anymore. It's not. It's also a smart financial tool. Why? Because under the updated rules, certain life insurance policies can help you pass wealth to your loved ones, all tax-free, protect your estate, and even cover long-term care needs while you are still alive. That means your policy can work double duty for you, protecting your family today and building your legacy for your tomorrow, for your future generations to come. That's the power of life insurance. It's tax-free. Life insurance is simple in concept, but powerful in impact. You pay premiums, and in return, your loved ones receive a death benefit if something happens to you. That benefit can replace income, cover your debts and mortgages, fund education for your children, even your children's children, fund your business plans, fund your retirement, pay for final expenses, burial expenses, and lastly, help cover living benefits such as long-term or chronic care. Family, it's not just a financial tool. It's a way to protect your family, honor your responsibilities, and leave a lasting legacy. How much coverage do you need? Most people here underestimate this question. But ask yourself, how much income would my family need if I were not here to sustain that lifestyle I have set them on? How much debt would need to be paid off? Would my kids' education still be funded? Are final expenses, your burial expenses, covered? A simple rule of thumb is to take 10 to 15 times your annual income. So say you earn $70,000 a year. You're looking at $700,000 to about $1 million in life insurance coverage. Not just a small group policy at work. Get a life insurance coverage outside of your work environment. There are two main types of life insurance: a term life insurance and a permanent life insurance. A term life insurance is typically affordable. It offers you a death benefit protection in the event that you pass away. That money is paid out to your loved ones. Remember, you are covered here for a set number of years. Once that contract or that term number of years ends, your contract, your coverage is canceled. Every money you have put into that protection, you don't get that money back, because if you were to pass away within that time frame, your family would have gotten a benefit, a payout in death benefit to them. Now, this type is perfect for families with growing children or mortgages. I see this type of policy, the term policy, I compare it to a rental property. If you're renting or leasing, when your contract ends, your lease, your premium goes up automatically, just the same way. Now, a permanent life insurance offers you lifelong coverage. The word permanent, it is permanent, covers you for life. So far you are making your premium according to the contract. It can be used for long-term care to help also with estate taxes or leaving a legacy. Now, permanent life insurance protection also offers cash value in those policies. Now, a permanent life insurance policy is like having a house, a penthouse, a house with multiple rooms in them that has and offers you different benefits. You have a room with living benefits, you have a room with cash value, you have a room with the death benefit protection. That is a permanent life insurance. And now under the permanent life insurance, there are also two main types, or three types really. But the most popular ones are the whole life insurance and an index universal life insurance. So you want to make sure that when you are sitting down with your agent, they get you the one you can afford, and at the same time, a policy that would meet your needs, your financial needs, your future goals, your future financial goals are considered in those conversations. And the questions that I asked earlier, make sure that you are able to address those questions, and that policy can cover those needs when they need to be covered, when they need to come into play. So it's very important that you get a policy. Yes, start where you are, start with what you can afford, but make sure that you are doing it and getting the right coverage that you need in the event that you need that policy. It's just like when you have a house, a home insurance, and auto insurance, you get the right coverage. You get the right coverage for the value of what you have, the value of the house that you have. How much value do you want to place on your life? How valuable is your life? Either a breadwinner or not. How valuable is your life to your loved ones? Think about that. I worked with a young couple who thought life insurance was unnecessary. They didn't need it. They thought they didn't need it. After walking through what would happen if one of them passed or fell ill or was diagnosed with a critical illness of some form, they realized the risk was too high. I'm sharing this from personal experience. Securing coverage with this family gave them peace of mind and financial security for their children. One important step that I don't want you to forget, and I don't want you also to forget, is your life changes, and your policy should too. Life changes such as marriage, new children, new home, or higher income. Review your policy every 3 to 5 years or after a major life event. Adjust your coverage. Update your beneficiaries. Very important. Or convert a term policy to a permanent one if you need one. There are convertible types, yes. So make sure that you sit with a life insurance agent, a licensed one that is, to help structure the right coverage that you need for you and your family. And if you're unsure whether you have enough coverage or the right type of life insurance, I can help you. Book your life insurance planning session today with me. The link is in the description section of this video. We will make sure your policy aligns with your lifestyle, your goals, and your legacy vision, because everyone's numbers, goals, lifestyle, vision is different. It's totally different. Family, remember, life insurance is not just a policy. It's a love letter to your family. Protect your people. Secure your future. Leave a legacy. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss tips for building wealth, living a legacy, and living with purpose. Until next time, this is Coach Lola here with you, reminding you, you were born to build, grow, and thrive. Do it gracefully. Do it powerfully. Do it joyfully. See you in the next video. Bye for now.